Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Daniel's Trading. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. In 1995, the Daniel's Trading brokerage firm was founded by Andy Daniels, who was a professional investor and internationally recognized commodity trader. Daniel's Trading is based in Chicago and is a division of StoneX, which is a trusted institutional-grade financial services network that connects investors, brokers, and traders to global markets. This broker offers self-directed, broker-assisted, and automated trading solutions for hedging, investing, and online trading. Daniel's Trading primarily offers services for trading futures, and you can buy and sell a wide range of instruments using your preferred method of trading. By joining this broker, you will have access to agricultural markets and commodities, interest rate markets, energy markets, equity index markets, precious metals, and dozens of currency pairs. A list of all the instruments offered can be viewed by scrolling down the homepage. If you require any assistance, the easiest way to reach the Daniel's Trading customer support team is through live chat. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. Contact details can be viewed by clicking on the Contact tab, and the FAQ page can be accessed from the Education menu. Daniel's Trading offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website, and you can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by choosing an option from the menu bar. Alternatively, you can use the menus at the bottom of the homepage to jump directly to different pages of the website. Daniel's Trading offers two powerful platforms that are designed for trading futures. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend using the DT Pro platform. This platform can be used as a demo version to help you get started, and it is compatible with third-party software. However, this platform was developed specifically for active traders who need advanced order types, custom indicators, and automated trading functionality. This platform uses direct market access and provides real-time streaming quotes, real-time account management, and real-time charts to make sure you don't miss any opportunities. What makes this platform unique is its market replay feature, which can be used with historical and intraday charts to put the markets into context. You will also have access to multi-charts, which is an award-winning trading platform for professional traders. This platform can be used for any style of trading and is trusted by many brokers worldwide, including Oanda, Dukascopy, Saxo Bank, and Tickmill. Multicharts provides dozens of high-definition interactive chart styles, an intuitive market scanner, and more than 300 strategies and indicators. With multicharts, you can easily develop, automate, and backtest your trading strategies, and this is an incredibly powerful platform that will give you the competitive edge you need. To download these platforms, click on the Trade tab and go to the Trading Software Options page. Here you will find all the download links. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with Daniel's Trading, and this broker also offers retirement accounts, business accounts, and trust accounts. In this video, we will be focusing on the individual and joint trading accounts. and we will discuss how this account type can be used. The individual and joint accounts are designed for traders and investors, and can be used for self-directed trading, broker-assisted trading, or automated trading. As a client, you will also have the option of investing in a managed futures portfolio. If you are confident in your trading skills and you'd prefer to have full control over your account, you can open a self-directed trading account to use on either one of the available platforms. There are 3 service plans for self-directed traders, and beginners are also welcome to join. The Plus and Premium service plans are for traders who want to trade on their own, but need guidance and assistance from a professional trader. The Premium service plan is suitable for absolute beginners. However, if you have some trading experience, then we recommend using the Plus plan. The Basic service plan is an advanced level package designed for professionals and active traders. All service plans get access to the 24-hour support desk, technical support and margin call assistance. However, you will not have any additional assistance or access to a dedicated broker when you choose this plan. Independence feels great, but there are many advantages to trading with a dedicated advisor. Daniel's Trading has a team of 10 experts who will help you manage your risks, reach your goals, and trade for you. These brokers have a great deal of industry experience and a deep understanding of how money works, how economies behave, and when to trade. Trading through a broker will not take away control from you, and you will have the power to make your own trading decisions with guidance from an expert. You will also be able to conduct your own research and analyze the markets. However, your broker will execute the trades on your behalf, and you will have a say in every decision and every transaction. So you'll have the freedom of self-directed trading with the knowledge and support of professional brokers and industry experts. Another way to trade with this broker is by using automated strategies, or by investing in managed portfolios. Daniel's Trading gives you the opportunity to automate your trading strategies using the iSystems platform. These futures trading systems are developed and tested by expert traders, and there are hundreds of strategies to choose from. Strategies can be used on a subscription basis once you have opened an account, and you can adjust your parameters at any time. In addition to offering these services, you can also invest in managed futures services, which will be monitored and managed by a team of commodity trading advisors. Managed futures services are recommended for investors seeking portfolio diversification, higher market liquidity, and customized portfolios. If you are new to trading, then you can use the DT Pro simulated version for 14 days and practice trading with $50,000 of virtual funds. Or you can try out multi-charts for 30 days. When you open an Islamic swap free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, it is unclear whether Daniel's Trading offers this type of account. Creating an account with Daniel's Trading may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Daniel's Trading homepage, and then click on the Open a Futures Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to the client portal. You can fund your account using a personal check, bank wire transfer, or by transferring funds from another brokerage or investment firm to your account. A minimum deposit of $2,000 is usually required to open an account with Daniel's Trading. However, the amount you deposit depends entirely on your trading goals and methods. So we recommend getting in touch with an advisor if you are interested in opening an account. As a trader or investor, having access to reliable resources and trading tools is a key factor of success. When choosing a broker, look beyond the platforms, accounts, and instruments offered, and make sure that all the tools, news, research material, and educational resources you need are provided before making a final decision. Not only does Daniel's Trading offer professional portfolio management and advisory services, but plenty of resources are also provided. You can download plenty of free trading guides directly from the website, and there are more than 4,800 videos that you can watch to gain trading insights from industry experts and professional investors. Daniel's Trading is a reliable source of trading advice, and this broker provides high-quality advisory services and support. You can get all the trading ideas, tips, and news you need by signing up for the DT newsletter and checking out all the other advisory services offered, including Insider Market Advisory for reliable news, Jawbo Trading Journal for insights, as well as technical and fundamental analysis, Trade Spotlight for market highlights, and many others. We also recommend visiting the blog for tips on trading techniques and using strategies, and other helpful articles that will help you become a better trader. Overall, what we like most about Daniel's Trading is that this broker offers multiple trading solutions and powerful platforms for beginners, retail traders, and professionals. Daniel's Trading offers competitive trading conditions and is a multi-service broker that also offers retirement accounts, business accounts, and trust accounts. Whether you'll be trading on your own, trading through a broker, or automating your strategies, Daniel's Trading offers something for every type of investor. Broker-assisted trading is not designed specifically for beginners or inexperienced traders who need guidance. It is also a reliable, low-risk way for experienced investors to free up some time and have assistance available whenever they need it. StoneX is a reputable company, and by association, Daniel's Trading seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Whether you're using a real account or a demo account, remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Daniel's Trading. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.